Good morning, students. So, hearty welcome to the classes. So, today we are going to learn the 7th class students moral science. Moral science, the fourth chapter. Moral science, the fourth chapter. You can see what is the fourth chapter. See, we have as human beings we have the varieties of emotions. Varieties of emotions. So, here we are going to learn about the emotion, about one important emotion in our life, or important emotion in our life. What is the emotions? What is that emotion means? Just here the laughter. One meaning for many means laughter. We are going to learn about the laughter means we laugh when we joke, we laugh. Okay, when we see some jokes, some movies, otherwise in our house, grandparents, with our sisters, brothers, parents, we laugh with them by joking, by seeing any joke, breaking some jokes. Okay, here we are going to learn an important topic is laughter. Laughter you see, one pill means a tablet, no? And pill means a tablet. For many means a laughter is important for many illnesses. Many illnesses means it is a here is a laughter is comparing with a tablet. A tablet is curing the illness. A tablet is curing the illness. In the same way, the laughter makes us to cure some illnesses. The laughter makes us to cure some illnesses. That is the meaning of this topic. Meaning of this topic. Now we see here in the textbook for page number 17. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. It is the it is the psychologically response to humor and might just be the most contagious of all emotions. So, this is the most important of emotions of a human being. It draws people together in ways that trigger healthy physical and emotional changes in the body. So, by laughing, it will changes our emotions. Means mentally, physically, spiritually, everything we are happy by laughing. Okay. Here you see, Charlie Chaplin is telling that a day without laughter is a day waste. If we did not laugh a day, it is a one day waste. So Charlie Chaplin is telling. Laughter is mainly about relationship. Laughing together can greatly improve cooperation and empathy between people of difficult culture background. So this laughter is making all the people together. That means here no race, color, religion, traditions. So nothing will be there. Or togetherness make us a laugh. Togetherness make us a laugh. So physical fitness from laughter is benefit not to you. When you laugh, all your body system are affected in a positive manner. So when we laugh, our body, maybe we are thinking some other things, but when we laugh, our body reacts in a positive way. If we are in the negative field, we laugh, our body will respond to the positive. So here, it is main important to laugh. Laughter has the ability to reduce stress, symptoms and provide a wide feeling of wellness. So sometimes when some sicknesses come, the people will be every time but some people will go to visit them, make laughing, they will be free. So some people will be get rid of from their sicknesses fast when we go and talk, when we go and talk with them, when we spend our day laughing with them, they will be cured fast. So here I want to advise you as a students or as a children to your parents or your grandparents. When your parents or when your grandparents are sick or bad, go and spend time, laugh them, tell jokes. So by that you are joking, you are laughing, they will come back fast. They will cure the sickness fast. Okay, this laughter has that much illness, that much illness. So laughter has many health benefits. Just see here, page number 17. Provides pain relief, means if we have any pain in our heart or in our feelings, emotions, that will give a relief when we laugh. Easy depression and stress. See, we have any depression, any stress. For example, exams are coming, be stressed, I did not study, I did not study. When you together with your family joke, you will be free from the stress. Burns boost immunity. It is a boost. When we take the boost, we get the body strong. So when we laugh also, our mind and heart will have the boost. Burns calories, help in overall body functions. So when we laugh, this helps in overall all the body functions. Improves creativity and mental alertness. It will improve creativities in our beings, in our surroundings. Helps sleep well. We will sleep also well when we laugh. Energies the body. The body will get energy when we laugh. Okay, these are the benefits of our laughing. So here you see, in the laughter makes you feeling good. Nowadays, all the people are busy with work, going here and there, working and coming, taking bath, eating and sleeping, not spending with children or not spending the time with parents. So that is will making us disturbing the people in the family. So nowadays many are going to the clubs, going for out for laughing, or some are going for laughing club also to laugh. But dear student, it is not important to go to the laughing clubs. I request you, when you get the some time, spend your time with parents, with brothers, sisters, laughing, playing, enjoying with them. That make you a happy and togetherness with your family. You understand? So that is the main important here. This story telling us about the laughing is more important in our life. The togetherness with family, the togetherness with brothers and sisters, the togetherness with the relatives. So this is main important. But this past generations or the past development in our culture or in our dealings. So we are losing this laughing every time, emotions, every time stress, every time feeling sorry for our business or something. Many reasons are there. But take time to out of these and spend some time with the family to laugh. So that make you refresh from all the things. Okay, that is, see, here you can see many are going, the children are see laughing, many parents and all are going to for the laughing clubs nowadays. So that is not important, but make our house to laugh and to be with the family. That is. So here, the page number 19 you see, laying the meanings. Some meanings are here. So 6 meanings are there. 6 meanings are there. Learn these meanings. Okay, this will come in the exam. Learn these meanings. Then you see the page number 19, fill in the blanks. I will send you these answers also. Fill in the blanks, you can write. The next one, answer the following questions. There are 4 other activities and self-assessment. This also I will give you, I will ask you to write, you should write. Here you see self-assessment. From this chapter, I have learned what you have learned when I explain. Then, from now on, I will make sure. What I have learned means what I told, that what you learned. Now onwards, I do this. Make sure. From now on, I will avoid. What you will avoid? For example, you spend more time with the TV or more time with mobile. So, sometimes less it. Use that less and make that more time with the family. Okay, that you can be avoided. Here, the next one, a note to self in the form of a poem. If anything you have want to write is self in your note, important note, that you can write here. Okay, that is the self-assessment. Then activities like create slogans and posters on a laughter. Write a short poem on a laughter. You can write a short poem also on a laughter. That I will give the activities, then that you can do. So I think you understand about this chapter, the laughter. Laughter is a more important. Okay, laughter is a more important. A laughing, a happy person is more important in our life. Be happy. Try to be happy. Make others happy. You laugh and you make others to laugh in the family. Okay, that is the best wishes and try to be put in the practice what I have taught. Okay, all the best.